What is happening, guys? Daudi Kabanda, Beatrice Mao clash online over Norbert Mao's speaking remarks. Social media exchange involving Zambia County Member of Parliament, Democratic Party leader and Minister for Justice, and Beatrice Mao has sparked fresh debate over political decorum, loyalty, and internal tensions within Uganda's ruling political circles. The controversy began after Kabanda suggested that some folks might go crazy over ministerial appointments, alleging that individuals were funding social media attacks against him out of envy. The post, published on February 24, 2026, quickly attracted attention, registering over 30,000 views within hours. However, the discussion escalated when Kabanda turned his attention to remarks attributed to Chairman Mao regarding the current Speaker of Parliament, Minister Mao. Kabanda wrote that promoters of Mao should remind him that silence and decorum helped OJ to become Speaker. Insulting opponents is a wrong direction. OJ refers to the late Speaker of Parliament, Chope, whose passing in 2022 led to the election of Minister Mao as Speaker. Kabanda further criticized Mao over comments suggesting that Uganda had an accidental Speaker created by Olanya's unfortunate passing. In a strongly worded follow-up post, Kabanda argued that if Olanya's death created an accidental Speaker, then it also created an accidental Minister of Constitutional Affairs, in reference to Mao himself, who joined cabinet after Olanya's death. It said that he is going this path, Kabanda wrote. If the death of OJ was a blessing in disguise to AA, as Mao says, then it was also a blessing in disguise for him. Beatrice Mao, wife of Norbert Mao, publicly responded to Kabanda's criticism. In one reply, she urged him to be silent and allow political actors to sort out their affairs without interfering. She further questioned Kabanda's interpretation, asking where in his speech did he insult anyone. Kabanda replied briefly, "But I am a voter." The online exchange revealed deeper tensions, particularly among individuals perceived to be aligned with the MK political camp. Some commentators accused Kabanda of pride and questioned why he appeared to be facing opposition from within his own political circles. Kabanda dismissed the criticism, stating, "I don't care." The debate has since expanded beyond personal exchanges, touching on broader themes of political loyalty, succession politics, and the sensitivity surrounding the legacy of Jacob Olanya. The reference to Olanya's death remains a delicate issue in Ugandan politics, particularly among leaders from northern Uganda. Political analysts note that the exchange underscores the fragile alliances within Uganda's political landscape, especially ahead of potential shifts in parliamentary leadership dynamics. While neither Mao nor Kabanda has issued a formal statement beyond their post, the public nature of the disagreement highlights growing friction in political messaging and the strategic positioning surrounding speakership politics. As discussions continue online, the episode serves as a reminder of how quickly political disagreements can escalate in the digital space, and how deeply symbolic references to past leaders can influence present power debates. We may not know everything, but one thing is very clear: Kabanda is always an angry man. Thank you.